Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Now, today we are going to be talking about the Tozo HT2 noise canceling headphones. So let's break down everything this has to offer and my experience with the headphones. So first, before we get into everything, let's talk about the price for these headphones. You're going to be looking at $80 on the normal price, but right now I seen on Amazon it is discounted to $40. So I'll put that link down in the description below so you guys can click that and check it out yourself. Also, they have 7 color options that you can choose from. So, and the colors look really nice. So I'm gonna put that down there for you guys. And when you do use that link, it does give me a little bit commission, makes Amazon have to pay me for sending you over there. So I really do appreciate it if you use it. Alright, so first thing you'll notice when you pull these out is how light they are. These are very light headphones and then they're very comfortable. The cushions on these are really soft. I was just telling my wife that it really reminds me of like a Squishmallow. If you guys know those are, they're like super little soft, freaking like beanbag plushy things, and that's what these feel like. It is super soft. Also with the top head part, you get the same softness as well and padding on this. So I do like the padding of the Tozo HT2s, so that's definitely a plus, and you're really going to notice that when you pull these out of the box is the weight and the padding. You guys a little on head look of these headphones, so they're really light, man. They're just so comfortable. Even with the hat on, they just sink into your head with the padding on these, and it's just, the look is not too bulky. It's just a regular headphone size look that we are used to, so it's not like sticking out or looking weird or anything like that. So when it comes to the battery life on their website, you'll see up to 60 hours of battery life, and that just depends on if you got noise canceling on, if you're playing songs with a lot of bass, do you boost the bass up in EQ. All those different things will probably have a factor into the up to 60 hours of battery life. So you're still going to be getting a lot of that. In that 60 range, you definitely know you're covered for a full day of battery life no matter how you listen. And these are wired as well, so if you do want to use an aux, you do have that in here. It's not just only Bluetooth, so you have a choice to go wireless or wired with these headphones as well. When it comes to the noise canceling of these, the noise canceling is great on these. I did like them. Right when you put it on, you can already tell that it's already blocking out a lot of the sound around you, and then once you turn the music on, it's really going to block everything out. So you're going to be fine with travels. If you're taking a train, bus, plane, any of that, it's going to block all that out, and as well at the gym, so you're going to be covered. Another great thing is with volume on these. The volume does get loud because a lot of noise canceling products nowadays, they bring the volume down since they're already blocking out the world for you. You don't need it blasting loud. These give you the option to turn it down yourself, and you don't have to be limited to the volume that you want to listen to. Alright, so Tozo has an app now, as you guys see here. With the app, you can control all the different noise canceling modes. They have different options right there, basically presets that you can choose and see which one fits the environment that you're in at that time. Or you just could keep them in noise canceling if you want. But also they have an EQ. Now with the EQ, you can customize the sound and get the headphone sounding just how you want. They have different presets, or you can customize your own. And all you have to do when you do want to move something on one of them, just grab it and move it up and down, and that's how you will customize the EQ. You can also save it for that style if you want, and you just click the save button and just save the EQ that you just created. So it's nice that Tozo does have the app now where you can just customize the sound perfect for your ears. Alright, well, so when it comes to my thoughts of these headphones, I think they sound really good. This is definitely a good pair of headphones, especially for the price, especially right now on sale for $40. The quality that you're going to get out of this is really good, and that's where Tozo really shines at, as that budget range, but also giving you good sound with their earbuds. If you look on Amazon, a lot of their earbuds are highly rated, and there's a lot of buyers of those, and I can see that as well with the headphones. You're still getting that same, good quality for a budget price. The bass on these are really good as well. I will say it has a little bit more bass than some of the top brands that I've tested, so you get a nice little rumble in these headphones. And also the volume, like I told you guys, it does get loud, where a lot of noise canceling headphones, they really cap you at your peak on volume nowadays, so you do get that. So I really like everything that you're getting out of these headphones, and now that they have their EQ, you can customize them and even get the sound to sound perfect just for you. But all in all, buds, this is definitely a really good option. I used to love having Tozo earbuds on my channel because it was a great option to, save some money, buy some $30, $40 earbuds that are on par sound quality wise with a lot of different companies. And I feel like they're doing the same with these headphones. If you don't want to break the bank for $150, $200 to $300 headphones, don't worry about it. You're going to get some good quality out of some $40 headphones right now since they're on sale. But if you're trying to save, some money, not spend over 100, this is definitely ones to look at. Or if you're trying to get someone some, definitely look at these ones. You know, noise canceling is great, the feel, comfort is great, and all the color options are amazing that they're working with. So definitely check these ones out if you're looking to save some money on some headphones. Well, there you have it, buds. That was my little review on the Tozo HT2s. If you guys want to check out some more videos, I put some links up right here. You guys can click those and check those out. And thank you for watching this video. I put the link down in the description below so you guys can get these while they're on sale right now for the $40. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Everyone be safe out there. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.